it sounds like, oh. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be a Tarte unboxing / try-on. But what's inside this box is their little, like, create your own makeup kit. It happens, I believe, twice a year. Inside each little kit, it's $63. You get 7 full-size items of your choice. And it doesn't give you a value because your value could range from, you know, just hypothetically like $200 to $300. It says you get to up to a 70% off, so with everything that's included in here, I mean, it is a huge discount. Let's just get on into this. I don't remember what I chose because I may have ordered 2. Also, let me know down below, is my lighting better because I got studio lights? So yay. I have to put in a request for my mic because it's doing that like buzzing sound. I think unfortunately I just bought a crappy mic. First, in each one you do get the choice of your bag. Actually, that's like the last thing you get to choose. But anyways, we're gonna do that first. I chose this cute pink one because it has an extra little zipper. So it's got this zipper here and then a zipper here. By the way, my nails, it is just 100% awful because it's not drying. I just got this and it's from House of Makeups. I just got it in my Ipsy. I did a live triple tipsy Ipsy. I'll link that down below. It's got 120 on the back, like 1-20, meaning January 20th, like 2020. I think it's expired. Maybe that's why it's not drying. So I put it on about like 12 and it's now 6 and it's still wet. Like I can still kind of put an imprint on it and it's, I think it's just old. Anyways, rant over. I don't like the way it feels. Now I'm so sad that I chose this bag. Don't know what material it is, but it feels exactly like, so this is that Sailor Moon by Colourpop palette, you know, it does that, and it's got that like scratchy, it gives me the goosebumps. There's hair in my mouth. That's gonna be a bag that's gonna be full of goodies for a giveaway. Next we chose a concealer. This is the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Concealer and I got the shade Fair. Why did I get, I hope I knew what I was doing when I chose this. This is Color Clay CC Primer and I got the shade Deep because I feel like I was gonna use it as a contour shade. We shall see. We got a sample of the Tarteist mascara, but it came with a mascara, so did I choose that? Why did I choose that? Maybe I like that. I do like that, not maybe. This is the Face Tape Foundation. I have the shade Light Sand, and it says that it is a full coverage, flawless, natural matte finish, and an infinite likes. That was okay. Oh, so if you guys want to save 15%, you can use the code, and I'm going to put it down here in the bottom, LoveTarte15 at checkout, and it ends on August 1st, 2020. Although, actually, I think I have an affiliate with Tarte. If I do, it's linked down in the description box. I know I have an affiliate with Awake. You can save 15% at Awake, which is another sister brand of Tarte. You can use LoveAwake15 at checkout, and that ends again August 1st, 2020. But if you use my affiliate codes, that doesn't end. But your choice. I'm not, no pressure. I get you points. I don't even get a commission. I get points. So I'm not that fancy yet. Okay, so I was so excited about this one. Even though I do not like, well, it's not that I don't like. So even though I don't particularly care for, or it's not my go-to liquid eyeshadows, but this color was absolutely gorgeous. So this is a Sea Glass eyeshadow, and I got the shade Shady Beach. Little swatch. You are gonna look so gorgeous. I picked up one of their foundation brushes. This is it's the Consealer foundation brush. So we are going to be trying out that little guy today. Well, he's not little. And we got, ooh, she is oh, I forgot I chose this color. This is the Tarteist lip paint, and this is in the shade Hangry. So, like I said, it did come, I mean, you get a choice of like your mascara and everything. And I got this. Oh, I love this one. I've had this before, but I had to get rid of my other one because it was way past the expiration. Well, not really expiration. It was open for like 7 months. Yeah. But this is the Big Ego mascara, and I got the shade black. I don't think you got a choice in the shade. I don't even think there is a choice. That was exciting because I completely forgot what I had chosen. I have my little kitty cat ears here. We got some foundation, a little brush. We're gonna try out this guy. It might be a little too, oh crap. So, ooh. What if we take some of this, because this is in deep, and then we just kind of go, I know, it might look a little bit funny, but bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing. There's no way that this would actually work as a contour now that I'm doing this. So I chose the wrong shade. I did. But then again, that could also be because it's summertime and I'm outside a little bit more, so I look ridiculous like this. What if we... This is in the shade Mahogany, and I just added that to the rest of foundation I had in here. Just... Wham! Just to see if I can, I don't know, make it look a little bit natural, because I look ridiculous. Move on, Jessi, move on, because it's been 7 minutes and you've been putting on foundation. Does anybody really care what you look like? You're not going anywhere. I think it's all the mixtures that I'm putting on my face, but I am creasing like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, this is going bad. This is going real bad, real fast. I enjoyed that brush. It was a pretty nice foundation brush. I mean, I do prefer my sponges. I have not washed my concealer sponge yet, so in our Tarte box we chose the Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-hour concealer. It's my first time ever using that concealer, so and then using just the same brush, because why not? I don't really feel like dirtying another brush to blend in my concealer or a sponge. I'm feeling a little lazy. I really look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, but this is the Shape Tape Powder Foundation, and I mean, it's not translucent. I don't have any other powder from Tarte. Not that I need to only use Tarte, but anyways. This is the shade 15N Fair Light Neutral. I'm gonna do the rest of my face really quick, even though it's all gonna be Tarte products. It didn't come in the box, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I look a little bit ridiculous like this, but we're gonna put this pretty blue topper, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it. Liquid eyeshadow. It's coming off kinda, I don't know, patchy or splatchy. I'm so sad. You looked so promising. What am I doing wrong? Well, I am glad I'm not going anywhere. I had to literally kind of cake this on, and I could feel it. It's heavy on my eyelid, and it's still, geez, it's still not dry. And also, it is transferring hardcore on my hooded eyeshadows. Yeah, the liquid eyeshadow is not my favorite. We're gonna go in with the Tarte Big Ego mascara. That's what she looks like for the wand. It is a big fluffy wand. Just look, I can't even, it's just because it's just transferring, and, okay. And lastly, we have our lip matte. Yep, lip matte. Are they all minty? No, they all can't be minty. I have a couple of the lip paints, and they're not minty. I mean, I didn't know that they were minty, or maybe that's a new formula, but anyways, Tarte, I like that. It's not your typical, I mean, well, it's not typical, but a lot of them smell like candy, like cupcakes or vanilla or stuff I want to eat. Wait, a little kiss test there. Looks like it's gonna dry down, completely dry like it should. I enjoyed the foundation, the concealer. I obviously knew how I felt about the mascara. I like this lip shade. I like the new, it's not new, I can't even say it's new. I like the formula, the mintiness of the lip paint. I actually really did like this brush. However, the only thing that was a fail for me is the thing I was most excited for, which was the liquid eyeshadow, because it was such a pretty color. That's okay, I enjoy everything else that I did choose. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Like I said, if you follow me on social media at Jessica Ersin everywhere, I will repost when Tarte is doing their next custom sale. Is it called custom? Their next custom kit sale. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. We have Zoe, go away. I love you. Go away. And it ends on October 1st. Not October. Now, you can't just go online Tarte or go. I guess it would help it if it helping.